incorrect product inside of a box might end up being 50 individual customers. That's 50 disappointed people, 50 customer service tickets, 50 new returns to make, 50 new orders to ship. And that happens surprisingly often without great checks and balances in a competent account management team. Okay, hello from the warehouse floor. Today, we're downstairs solving problems, and it got me thinking about the problem solvers that we have on staff. Our problem solvers are our account managers, and we have a unique account management structure that has evolved over time into what is a really, really great model today. First of all, they're all on site. They don't have to be overseas. They just have to be not in the warehouse to be almost completely ineffective. Our account managers are right here, right in front of the products that they're interacting with, communicating with their clients directly, not through a ticketing system or through any other medium that would prevent them from being able to communicate the various nuances that come back to our clients. Second, we have a dual account management structure. We have what are called our SAMs and our WAMs. Our SAMs are senior account managers, and they are always with their eyes on the communication channels, whether that's Slack or email. Some of our clients even text or call us. They want to be able to intercept an urgent communication and provide an immediate response to our clients as quickly as possible. I think we've got our time to acknowledgement down to less than 5 minutes and our time to resolution down to less than an hour, which is incredible. And that's on a 24-hour day, 7 days a week. Second, we have our WAMs. Those are our warehouse account managers. They are the counterpart to the senior account managers who always have their eyes on communications to be the physical operations within the facility. The warehouse account managers are the ones who can take direction from a client and translate that into the nuance management that they need to do downstairs. Maybe that's an issue came in with receiving. The cases were not labeled correctly, and we've noticed that the outside of the box says that it's one particular product, but the inside of the box says that it's a different product. Without an on-the-ground expert who understands your brand and routinely interacts with the product, no one would be able to distinguish what had gone wrong here and communicate that back to the clients quickly. Even for the most refined clients who have operational excellence throughout their entire supply chain, issues continually come up. Those individual issues, especially at the receiving side, if not managed correctly by someone who is on site who really understands the brand, can cascade themselves down. An incorrect product inside of a box might end up being 50 individual orders that have gone out to customers that were shipped incorrectly. That's 50 disappointed people, 50 customer service tickets, 50 new returns to make, 50 new orders to ship. And that happens surprisingly often without great checks and balances in a competent account management team. Also, unlike many 3PLs that only work 8 to 5, we run 24/7. And we have account managers available for our clients all 24 hours, all 7 days a week. There's many times where an issue is detected after hours when a customer has returned home from work and has finally got their package and needs to communicate that back to the brand, and they need that issue resolved immediately. There's times when an address needs to get changed before the package goes out within the next couple of hours. The only way to effectively do that is to have someone on site able to make those adjustments and changes dynamically at all hours of the day. Our account managers and employees love their clients. And the reason for that is we have dedicated teams. In a lot of cases, some clients that have been with us for 5 years have the same people working on their brand for all 5 years. That means when something goes awry, or let's say, and this has definitely happened for us, a new garment is launched with a client under a particular color name. Let's say it was Ruby. The strategic account manager and the warehouse account manager and the rest of the team who's dedicated to their client noticed that some of the colors through production didn't match one-to-one. And that's only going to be noticed as a process of fulfillment and an accumulated wisdom of executing for the same client every single day. So what they did was reach out to the client and say, hey, I'm noticing some manufacturing inconsistencies in the color of each of these garments. We were able to isolate that inventory and get it rectified before we ran into a situation where a customer bought two of the same colorways and saw the distinction between the two of them and then had a disappointed customer. We believe strongly that on-site account management and 24/7 operations are really non-negotiables for a 3PL. So as you're thinking about how you work with your 3PL, are you getting the service that we expect to be table stakes and great fulfillment or not?